In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to find affiliate programs for your niche. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to find an affiliate program for your niche, but you don't know where to begin. And so there are 3 very easy ways to find an affiliate program. For the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that you're in the weight loss niche. It'll make our research much easier. So the first thing that we'd want to do is we'd want to jump over to google.com or whatever your favorite search engine is, and we just want to type in whatever your niche is plus affiliate programs. You want to make sure that you do that all in quotes so that you get the best results. So you're going to type in you're going to type in weight loss plus affiliate program, all in quotes. And when you hit enter, you're going to see a lot of opportunity pop up. First, you're going to see bloggers that have put together a list of 10, 15, or 20 affiliate programs that are in your niche. What you can also do too is you can scroll down and you can look at the search results that pop up organically. For example, if you look on the screen, we have Doctors Weight Loss. They may have an affiliate program. Lady Boss, they may also have one. And then, as you can see, it's really easy. So what you'd want to do is just open all of these up in a new tab and figure out one that's going to be congruent with your audience, your message, and really what your goals are. Some of these affiliate programs are going to pay you a little bit. Some are going to pay you a lot of it. Some are going to pay you for any lead that you bring in. Some are going to pay you for sales and conversion. So just take your time, open these up in new tabs and really go through them. And what I'd probably want to do is I'd probably want to create an Excel spreadsheet or a Google sheet and put links next to each one, and the commissions and the referral window, put all that stuff in a nice Excel spreadsheet so you can get an apples to apples comparison, which one is going to be best for you. So the easiest way is simply go up to Google and just type in your niche plus affiliate program, and you're going to get a nice sheet. I do have a bonus for you to find an easy way to find an affiliate program. It's simply just typing in products that you are passionate about, products that you've used, products that you want to work with. That's going to be a very easy way as well. For example, if we wanted to work with Jenny Craig, we can type in Jenny Craig affiliate program, and we can see if they have an affiliate program. So we'll click on this first one here. And as you can see, does Jenny Craig offer an affiliate program? Jenny Craig affiliate program in the United States. And you're just going to want to do a little bit of research. Worst case scenario, you'd go over to the Jenny Craig website and ask them, hey, I'm interested in partnering with you guys. Do you guys have an affiliate program that I can join? They usually get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, but that shouldn't stop you from creating content. But if you scroll through here, we'll click on this first one. Does Jenny Craig offer an affiliate program? This will give you a good idea if they do, but always contact the actual owner of the product just to make sure, because some of these websites don't have the most accurate or up-to-date information. If we take a look, again, Jenny Craig affiliate program, and you can do this with any program that you're interested in, any program that you want to partner with. So one of the easiest ways is just type in the company that you want to work with and send them an email and find out one way or another. Like this says it's paused, but they might be willing to work with a few select clients depending on your traffic, your audience, and so on. So a bonus tip I just threw in there real quick is just simply reach out to the company or type in the name of the company that you want to work with. All right, so that is number 1 and number 2. Number 3 is actually checking out affiliate networks. Now, this is going to be incredibly powerful and incredibly easy. An affiliate network is simply a third party, a middleman that works with both affiliate programs as well as affiliate marketers. And an affiliate network is simply responsible for providing affiliate links and marketing materials, payouts, and basically a dashboard. One of the largest affiliate networks out there is Commission Junction. So if we go to cj.com, we hit enter there, you can see this is one of the largest affiliate networks that are out there. You will have to sign up and apply. They'll ask you basic questions, but once you get through that process, we're just going to click log in here. And the cool thing with these websites is they simply make it very easy for you to find different affiliate programs based on your niche. So again, we're going to search weight loss. We're just going to go up here to advertisers, and under keywords, we can type in weight loss or how to lose weight, and it should come up with a bunch of affiliate programs that we could potentially work with. Another cool thing about these affiliate networks is they give you an EPC. They give you the referral window. They also give you the commission payout. So what we'll do here under keywords is we'll just type in weight loss, hit enter, and you can see there are a ton of them. Now this makes it really easy to compare. For example, if we look over here, the commission 7, you get paid $2.50 with Beachbody, and so on. This makes it really, really easy, and a lot of these affiliate programs have been vetted. A lot of these companies are top companies, Fortune 500, Fortune 1000, that choose to work with affiliate networks to make it a little bit easier for them to manage their affiliate program. So one of the easiest ways is to use something like Commission Junction. You can also use Flex Offers, Share a Sale. You can use Max Bounty and some of those other ones, but I really like using the big names like Commission Junction. So another easy way to find affiliate programs for your niche is to simply just search affiliate networks. Another easy way to find affiliate programs for your niche is simply to just see what your competitors are doing. What you can do is you can go over to blogs, YouTube videos, or YouTube channels and just see what happens when you click on those links. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in weight loss blogs, and you'll be able to see here the top blogs for weight loss. So we're just going to click on this, and we're just going to go through. Now you can do this with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, really anywhere that has a blog component or an affiliate marketing component to it. So we're just going to open this one up, and I haven't done the research ahead of time, so this might lead us somewhere, might lead us nowhere. But as you can see here, we can go through and just kind of do a little bit of snooping to see where these links take us. Now, again, you don't want to spend hours doing this. Just go through. Usually they're pretty quick. We're going to click on blog here, and we're going to click on self-care. And this should really give us a pretty good idea if they're doing affiliate marketing or if they're selling their own products. But go through, open up a few different blogs, and simply just see what they're doing. Again, you can do this with YouTube. For example, if we go over to youtube.com and we go to like weight loss for beginners, we'll type in weight loss for beginners, hit enter. And what we'll want to do, in my opinion, is find channels that aren't huge, like channels that have millions of subscribers probably will be selling their own thing. But you can also check there and see if they have an affiliate program as well. But what we're looking for is we're looking for these tiny channels that don't have a ton of subscribers, because usually they're doing affiliate marketing. So if we scroll down here, all of these guys have hundreds of thousands and millions of views. So what we're looking for is we're going to go up to filters. We're going to go to, let's go to upload date. And it's on Saturday, so let's see here. This one has 31 views, so this could be a good opportunity to kind of snoop around and see what they're promoting. Again, this one only 1,000 subscribers. Let's open up this one and see exactly if and who he is recommending and promoting. But you can do this over and over again. Another easy way is to just go with major brands like Amazon and Best Buy and really make it simple. So if we look here, it doesn't look like he is promoting anything, which is a missed opportunity. But I mean, these are all different ways that you can find affiliate programs for your niche. There are, I would say, tens of thousands of affiliate programs are out there, and it's really easy once you start looking. Most people get caught up with ClickBank, Amazon, and some of the big names out there, but there are tons, as we saw at this CJ website, there are tons of affiliate programs that are begging to give you money. So now that you know 4 different ways to find affiliate programs for your niche, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.